The other day I picked up this 2002 e46 330. Everything in the front is already pretty much pulled off. Just need to get the new axle and then I'm ready to start putting stuff back together. Just trying to figure out what's bent. I got everything to replace back here, so it's ready to be fixed. I just gotta figure out what actually needs replacing. I for sure have a new one of these because you can tell it's definitely misaligned. I'm hoping this whole rear trailing arm doesn't need to be replaced, but I do have another one just in case it does. Brand new tools, gotta love it. This thing off, and probably that thing too. I was about to get it off, but I feel like it might line up, so I'm gonna go take the wheel off and look at the other side. So here's what this side's looking like. All right, so here's what this looks like, and here's the new one. You can obviously tell that this took a lot of the impact. But so these AutoZone tools don't work because when I try to compress the spring, this part comes up through here and it's too long to fit in there. So I'm just gonna have a buddy come and help me put this back in. Other than that, I did finally get the axle out. I had to take it to a friend's house and we used some heat. So basically now I think it should just be tying things together. Also, I just got this new bushing in. I just gotta tighten it down, but there's that. This is the new control arm. Here's the brand new control arm. And here is the old one. Let me see if I can show you just how bent it is. I mean, that's supposed to be flat. You can see they look quite a bit different. So, all right. So got the new control arm temporarily in. Had to use the old bushing. Yeah, we're ready to get the spindle in. All right, well, time for the spindle now. This is what's left of the bolt in the lower control arm that connects to the spindle. You can see it just completely sheared off. So, gonna heat this up and then hit it out. Take one. So, take this off, take this. Put this one on. Got the axle in, the nut's just on loose. I haven't tightened it down yet, but making progress. All right, so I just got back from the test drive. Everything went well. I mean, it got up to speed. It definitely needs an alignment, but it's okay. It just has a massive coolant leak, so I can't drive it for more than like 5 minutes without it leaking all the coolant. But got those parts ordered, and yeah, just got to install those and then it's good. For you guys, a little start. And it'll drive under its own power. Put it first. There you have it.